are countless books and videos about investing. I just finished my own. Would you like a copy? That's not true. I don't have one. But let me save you some time and teach you most of what you need to know about investing through two simple principles. First principle, mind the price. Second principle, don't be a sucker. So let's apply these principles to investing in stocks and mutual funds. Let's say you really like a company. You love their products, you love their brand, you even have a crush on the CEO. You should buy their stock, right? That's where principle number one comes in. Mind the price. Even a great company, if the stock price is high enough, can be a poor investment. And conversely, even a poor company, if the stock price is low enough, can be a great investment. But how do you know if the price is right? Maybe someone on television said it. Probably not a good idea to follow that. Or you read it in an online post. Maybe even less of a good idea. Or maybe a little birdie told you. How do all these little birdies know so much? I've got to get a birdie. I got to get one. So you're thinking about buying this stock, and that's where our second principle comes in. Don't be a sucker. You ever heard the saying, if you look around a poker table and you don't see the sucker, you are it?
What?
Well, it's the same when buying a stock. If you are buying, someone else must be selling. Why are they selling? And what do they know that you don't? In the stock market, no one will tell you who exactly is on the other side of the transaction, but most stocks are held by professional investors. So most likely, you are up against a professional. And of the two of you, which one is more likely to be the sucker? Yeah, you know it. Exactly. Don't be a sucker. In other words, unless you have incredible professional level knowledge, stay away from stock picking. I said if you have, not if you think you have. So in other words, just stay away from stock picking. So how should you invest in stocks then? Get professionals to do it for you. They choose a group of stocks and they manage it for others. This is called an investment fund. You buy a share of that fund and pay them a management fee. That fee is the price you pay for investing in the fund. But remember principle number one, mind the price. You should not be paying high fees. This may sound counterintuitive to you. After all, you might not want to go to the cheapest dentist you can find. Generally, I went to the cheapest dentist I could find. Cleans teeth, he cuts hair, and he does colonics. All in one, just a one-stop shop. So let me explain the difference. If a dentist did a good job in the past, they'll probably keep doing a good job in the future. But investment managers that performed well in the past are far from guaranteed to perform well in the future. And if they are able to convince people that they will continue to perform well, do you think they will resist the temptation to charge fees high enough that they get the benefit of the performance, not you? Low-cost investment funds are in a different game. They can charge low fees because they don't waste effort on stock picking, but instead invest in a simple, buy a bit of everything way. And because they invest in such a simple way, competition with other funds means that they have to keep the fees low. Decade after decade, experience shows that investors do better by buying low-cost funds than high-cost funds. And this better performance doesn't just add up, it compounds, which literally means that your savings grow exponentially faster. Not bad for two easy to remember principles, huh? Mind the price, don't be a sucker. If you can't remember them, then just remember to invest in low-cost funds. And also, don't call me if you're looking for a dentist. You're welcome.